Everybody comfortable? Say hi, please. Thank you, that's polite. My name's Bronson, I'm your host, MC, talking head for the night. I wish to welcome you to the Fig at 7th Downtown Festival, the first of 6 weeks of free concerts here in this lovely setting. I think Fig at 7th is like Klingon language for a cool place surrounded by tall buildings. I like it. Saw some shows here last year and it was fantastic, and we have a great lineup over the next 6 weeks for music fans throughout Los Angeles. I'd like to say that this is the 25th anniversary of Arts Brookfield staging free cultural events at their properties all over the world. So please give them a hand for supporting the arts and free music, and for stationing the beer garden very nearby. A very important thing about free art. I'd like to thank our media partner, LA Weekly. I'd like to remind you that there is an after party after both bands play downstairs at City Tavern, where I sampled some of their wares. The internet and DJ the Chicago Kid. Should be a very great show. This is our first band tonight. I see around town. Playing a lot of very lively shows. They're fantastic. They have released music on labels that bear the name of my favorite two food groups, Burger and Lollipop. Station was live. Great.